How to add your Sephora card to Apple Wallet. Follow my instructions. Keeping your Sephora gift card or loyalty card in Apple Wallet makes checkout faster and more convenient. You won't need to carry the physical card. Everything stays on your iPhone securely. Here's the step-by-step process. First, open the Sephora app on your iPhone and log in with your account. Go to the Payments or Gift Cards section from the menu. Select the card you want to save, either a gift card or your Beauty Insider card. Look for the option that says Add to Apple Wallet or Save to Wallet. Tap it and you'll see a preview of the card with your balance or membership details. Confirm by tapping Add in the top right corner. Once added, open the Apple Wallet app to double-check that the Sephora card is there. You'll see the card listed alongside your other passes, gift cards, or payment methods. From here, you can view your balance or scan the barcode at checkout directly from Wallet. If you don't see the option in the Sephora app, you can manually add the card by scanning the barcode in Apple Wallet. Go to the Wallet app, tap the plus sign, and choose Scan Code to add it. And that's it. Your Sephora card is now linked to Apple Wallet for quick and easy use. Thanks for watching.